As far as eyesight in the animal kingdom goes, humans see quite well. We can see stars glowing from millions of light years away, we can see a wide range of colors, and we can see clearly for miles if our sight isn't obstructed. Most animals have two types of color receptors, rods and cones. Rods handle peripheral and night vision, brightness and shades of grey, while cones deal with the day vision and color perception. Humans and most of other animals have three color receptors or cones to see the spectrum of light. Each of the three receptors get excited by a different hue, red, green or blue light. The eye sends the signals from the receptors to the brain, which weighs the ratio of the excitation of each receptor and perceives color based on those ratios. 4 or more different color receptors among some animals are not uncommon. Butterflies have 5. But the undisputed winner in the color vision category is probably the mantis shrimp, which has an incredible 12 to 16 different color receptions in its eyes. Let's explore what the world would look like through their eyes. Most people know that dogs don't see as well as humans, but contrary to popular belief, they do not see the world in black and white. Their vision is actually similar to people with red-green color blindness, as they only have two types of cones, which makes their color vision much limited in our comparison. Dogs' eyes have more rods than humans, which means they can see much better at night. Dogs' eyes are also 10 to 20 times more sensitive to motion at a distance than us humans, which makes it well suited for hunting during dawn or dusk. But they are less sensitive to both brightness and variations in shades of grey. In fact, dogs are 2 times worse at differentiating between shades than humans are. But before you start to get sad for the pups, just remember your dog has an incredible sense of smell. Their noses have been estimated to be up to 100 million times more sensitive than yours. That basically lets them see the world in different sense. Snakes. Depending on the snake's lifestyle, eyes within different snake species are complex and diverse. Most snake species have both rods and cones present in their retinas, but many subterranean snakes only contain rods. Snakes have 2 sets of eyes. One set is the normal eyes that you see that detects color quite well. Snakes are dichromatic, meaning that they can see 2 primary colors, blue and green. But they also have vision pits that detects heat, allowing them to recognize the heat from organisms that are warmer than their surroundings as infrared signals, so that they can see in the dark like an infrared detector. There is no getting away from a snake once you're spotted. That closed door won't help. They can use their eyes to create a visual like humans do, or they can use their extraordinary sensitive infrared sensors. They can switch back and forth between these systems or use both of them simultaneously. Impressive, but few animal eyes have idioms named after them. Ever heard of eagle eye? Embedded on either side of its face, an eagle's eye gives it a nearly panoramic vision. All birds of prey have excellent long-distance vision, but eagles stand out. They can see clearly about 8 times as far as humans can, allowing them to spot and focus in on a small animal camouflaged in its surroundings at a distance of about 3.2 kilometers. Eagles can also quickly shift focus, allowing them to essentially zoom in on their prey. If you swapped your eyes for an eagle's, you could see an ant crawling on the ground from the roof of a 10-story building. Objects directly in your line of sight would appear magnified and everything would be brilliantly colored. Because on top of sharp focus and central magnifier, they also see colors as more vivid than we do and can discriminate between more shades. Our human eyes have millions of rods and cones. An eagle's eye have tens or hundreds of millions. Their 4 types of cone cells lets them see red, green, blue and ultraviolet. As far as daytime vision goes, eagles, hawks and falcons reign supreme. However, they don't do as well during the night. That award goes to our next entry. Owls have huge eyes. An owl's eye can account for up to 3% of its entire body weight. Like all birds of prey, an owl's eyes face the front, giving them a better binocular vision or depth perception than most animals. An owl's field of view, for instance, is about 110 degrees and about 64% of that is binocular. A sparrow, on the other hand, has a much larger field of view, up to 300 degrees, but their binocular vision is much more limited. In some species, only 10%. By comparison, humans have a field of view that covers 180 degrees, with 140 degrees being binocular. As owls can't roll their eyes around the way we do, they have to move their entire head to get a good look around. Owls can turn their necks about 270 degrees in either direction and 90 degrees up and down without moving their shoulders. As a result of having very large eyes, owls are very far-sighted. which means that they can't focus on objects that are too close. Their eyes are dominated by densely packed retinal rods, but they don't have as many cones. Rods outnumber cones 30 to 1 in owl species, enabling them to see better than most animals in the night time. Owls also have something called eye shine. Eye shine is the result of a layer of tissue behind the retina that reflects visible light. This reflection dramatically increases the light available to the animal's photoreceptors, giving it superior night vision. Owls may be famous for their vision, but the most incredible eyes of any animal belong to the mantis shrimp, who are neither mantises nor shrimps. Famous for their powerful forearms, which can accelerate through water at up to 10,000 times the force of gravity, creating a pressure wave that boils the water in front of it, eventually hitting the prey with the force of a rifle bullet. The eyes of the mantis shrimp are even more incredible and can actually see cancer, even before the symptoms appear. Yes, you heard that correctly. The eyes of the mantis shrimp are mounted on mobile stalks and can move independently of each other. Mantis shrimps can see objects with 3 different parts of the same eye, giving them trinocular vision, so unlike humans who perceive depth with 2 eyes, they can do it perfectly well with either one of them. When humans can see 10 million different colors through the mixture of 3 types of color receptors, it's tempting to think that 12 different color receptors make the world of the mantis shrimp bombard with heavenly colors unimaginable to us. But as it turns out, they could only detect about 25 nanometer difference in wavelength of light, while human eyes can detect a difference of as little as 1 to 4 nanometers. This is because they don't compare the inputs from different color receptors to process them in the brain like we do. They may recognize them directly in the eye, a technique that could help the animals quickly pick out colors in their brilliant reef environment. But still, they have an advantage of having the infrared and the ultraviolet spectrum at their disposal, and they can also recognize polarized light. Normally, light behaves like a wave that vibrates in every possible direction as it moves. But some surfaces, say the scale of a fish, have a way of changing the light they reflect, organizing it so it moves in a single plane. That's important because researchers have shown that fast-growing disorganized cancer cells actually reflect polarized light differently from a healthy tissue. And so cancer-detecting cameras are being invented inspired from the animal kingdom's most weird eyes. Light can also travel in the shape of a helix, moving as a spiral beam, which is known as circular polarization. Mantis shrimp's eye contain the only known cells in the animal kingdom that can detect it. We can do it with our technology, but they beat us to it by as much as 400 million years. If you guys are new to the channel, then I do encourage you to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to never miss a single video on our channel, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up by slapping that like button below. We make content on a wide range of subjects, and you can even suggest us the topics you want us to cover in the comment section below.